My name is Bob, and today I would like to talk about this special ebook, Beat Kidney Disease. It's an all-natural kidney disease treatment plan by Duncan Capicchiano. Now, the book is 111 pages long, and Duncan Capicchiano is a fully qualified naturopath, nutritionist, herbalist, and medical researcher. This book will help you to treat and reverse chronic kidney disease, renal disease, stages 1 to 4 kidney disease, kidney failure, renal failure, and impaired kidney function. This program will also improve your quality of life if you are currently on dialysis, have kidney stones, or if you have stage 5 kidney disease. This book has a complete and natural kidney disease diet plan, and if you follow all the dietary recommendations in this book, it will help you to increase your energy, bring back your appetite, dramatically improve how your urine looks and smells. Your symptoms will ease, you can walk up the hallway without getting out of breath, and much, much more. In this book, you will learn a complete nutrients and food list that you need to eat and avoid. Now, here are just a few quick tips from the book. Please avoid regular tea, coffee, and alcohol, as it places an extra strain on the kidneys. Learn the 4 main herbal pillars of traditional Chinese medicine that help heal the kidneys. And just a quick tip, you need to avoid these herbs: licorice, bearberry, and celery seed. However, celery in your diet is fine. Learn the 3-phase kidney treatment plan. Phase 1 is essential for kidney health. If you do nothing else except follow Phase 1's treatment guidelines, then your kidney health and general well-being will be light years ahead of where you first started. However, this phase takes time. A real commitment to your health is needed. You must stick to the plan in order to succeed. The next 2 phases are all about treating you. You are different to everybody else, so let's treat you that way. Phase 2, to treat your cause. Your kidney disease may be caused by many things, like diabetes, antibiotic use, infection, high blood pressure, and other things. Phase 3 is to treat your symptoms individually, like fatigue, blood in your urine, anemia, and other things. Duncan gives you the exact dosage of the nutrients you need every day, and even where to buy them online. Everything is in the treatment plan. Learn how to treat your kidney stones is in Chapter 6. Now, here's a tip. Please avoid cranberries and cranberry juice while you have kidney stones. Learn about the delicious kidney diet recipes. Learn the special recipe called Nana Tea. Now, this tea was developed specifically for Duncan's Nana when she was suffering from borderline stage 4 kidney disease. She is now healthy and still shocking her doctors. It's quick, easy, and inexpensive to make, and available to almost everyone. This tea is really golden. Learn the lifestyle, exercise, and relaxation techniques needed to heal your kidneys. You can access all of this valuable information. The program is in digital ebook format, which you can instantly access on your tablet, PC, or smartphone when you buy it. Click the link below to learn more about this program. And you will also receive 6 special bonuses, like the 133-page Kidney Disease Solution Cookbook and email support from Duncan himself, and much more. And your purchase is also protected by a 60-day, no questions asked, 100% money-back guarantee. If you think that this program is not for you, simply ask for a full refund. Click on the link below now and get the life back that you used to have.
There are many natural therapies available. Combined with appropriate dietary and lifestyle changes, you can both reverse kidney damage and protect from further damage to your kidneys in the future. Get an effective step-by-step program proven to start healing your kidneys today. Take action by clicking the link below. You'd be surprised how well this works.
If you're ready to take action, click on the link below this video now.